Okay, this will be a 5-year review of my Amazon Basics tray tables. These things are made of, I believe, pine. They're made in Thailand. They're good and sturdy. They're not wobbly. I mean, I gotta put some force on that to wobble that. The table itself weighs about 8.5 pounds. Measurements across here 19. This way it's about 15. And it stands about 26 inches high. And it comes with the holder. And for the holder, the measurements on that are 13.5 this way, about 30 inches tall, and with the trays on it, it's 19 inches because that's how big the tray itself is. The stand is pretty solid build construction too. I use these things for everything. I use this one for eating in front of the TV, of course, which is what they're kind of designed for. But I also use it as an end table over there. And I use it as a laptop stand. And the fourth one, I actually painted it and put it out here on the deck. So I got a place to hold my cold drink. So even after all this time with liquid and stuff being on it, it's barely made any marks on it. Good quality build. I'm impressed. Hope this helped you out. See you.